that we may do all the works of the Lord. This morning I'm feeling on the topic titled Spiritual Principle for Victorious Living. Spiritual Principles for Victorious Living. Life is a battle. And you need spiritual weapons to win the battles of this world. Spiritual battles are not won by physical strength or ability. You need to follow some spiritual principles that guarantee victorious living. Number one principle that can help you to be victorious in life. Make up your mind to be happy. Make up your mind to be happy always. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 16 says, rejoice evermore. Rejoice evermore. What the devil does is to attack your joy so that can cripple your destiny. Everybody will go through some challenges, and those challenges supposed to make you a better Christian. But most times those challenges always break down some instead of building them up because they allow themselves to be broken down. Now, every challenge has a message. Many years ago, when Yinka Ayefele had an accident after Killer in this Ogun State here, he was coming to do coverage for his boss then. Was the Kola Olawi then. So it says, climbing the hill after he left Killer, climbing the hill, he had an accident. And that was where he broke his spinal cord. Usually for every natural human being is bound to be sad and sorrowful. Because somebody that been walking on his 2 feet now sitting on the wheelchair is enough to kill him. But the man made up his mind to be happy. If he looked inward, what can make me happy? He looked inward, what can make me happy? And he started singing hymns. He said he loves to sing hymns when he was in church. Hymns. So from there, he started writing songs and he started producing cassettes, which he was not doing before. Iṣẹ́ oníròyìn ló kọ́. Tá coverage nínú program tá a ṣe tí bá gbé àwa coverage nígbà yẹn so a ṣe coverage fún lówó rẹ̀ ló lẹ fẹ́ fún. Wọ́n nígbà tó ní ìṣòro ó gbogbo ọ̀kan rẹ̀ pé kí ló ń lè ṣe láti múnú ara dùn. Tẹ́lẹ̀ nípa nínú ìṣòro bẹ́ẹ̀ á lọ gbóògùn jẹ.
Some people have that type of problem, they go and kill themselves.
Owó rẹ̀ pé owó ò lè ṣe coverage mọ́ kò ní máa gbé kámẹ́rà lọ́wọ́ kan kò lè tẹ̀lé nípa láti sọ coverage nìkan mọ́. Kí ló lè ṣe lórí wíṣíà tínú mi ó dùn tí ó sì mú àwọn èèyàn dùn ibi tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀
As
sí
a washer, he thought of what he can do to make people
nígbà tí
happy.
ò tí ì ní ìjàmbá kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ òkòló ẹ̀ lọ́yọ̀ọ́
When he has not got the accident, nobody
kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ òkòló ẹ̀ lọ́yọ̀ọ́
nobody knew him.
ṣùgbọ́n pàtó ní ìjàmbá tó pinnu lọ́kàn rẹ̀ pé
He got accident
ìbànújẹ́ ò kì í ṣe tòun.
and he said that
Èṣù ta ìbànújẹ́ sínú ayé rẹ̀ ó dà padà.
Satan sent problems into his side.
Èṣù ta ìbànújẹ́ sínú ayé rẹ̀ kí ló ṣe ó dà padà.
He returned it.
Ó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọrin.
He started singing.
Lórí àga wheelchair náà ni o. Ibẹ̀ náà ló ti wá di pé
Started singing.
Ọlọ́run kò pé ọmọ yìí ní sẹ́ni kó sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sọ́lọ́run pé Ọlọ́run ọmọ burú o. Ìkànnì ni ó.
And
Kí
instead
lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní?
of speaking in words to God,
Ṣùgbọ́n ó tún rí pé àwọn kan nínú ìjàmbá bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n kú.
he knew that some people had such an accident and died.
Ṣùgbọ́n òun ní jàmbá bẹ́ẹ̀ òun ò kú. Bó tilẹ̀ pé òun ò lè fẹsẹ̀ rìn ṣùgbọ́n òun wà láyé.
So he cannot walk, but he's still alive.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọrin.
He starts to sing.
Orin yìí ló gbé arákùnrin ìjà gbangba lónìí.
It is this song
Ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ méjì lójókòó tí ò ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ méjì ti ń rìn kiri gbogbo títì. Tí ò lè gbé ṣe.
the two legs cannot do.
Ìlú tí wọn ò lè dé. Orílẹ̀-èdè tí wọn ò lè dé.
Nation that they cannot go.
Arákùnrin lórí wheelchair ó ti débẹ̀ ó ti jù bẹ̀ lọ.
Wheelchair, he has been there and go beyond
Ó wá jẹ́ orísun ayọ̀ fáwọn ènìyàn.
and is now a source of
Wọ́n gbé jáde ní pé tó o bá ní ìpèníjà má fàjúrò.
If you have any challenges, don't
Má bànújẹ́.
find
Má
yourself.
sọ̀rọ̀ ìdínú. Má sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sí Ọlọ́run.
Just hope.
Má fi wèrè pé Ọlọ́run.
Don't talk to God anyhow.
Yorùbá ní pé a ò ní lé léyìí àbí dẹ́rù bàrà wa ni kò sí tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run. Ẹ̀sán tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọ tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí.
You not see this type of thing.
Tí ò ní jẹ́ òpin.
Your hope cannot be the last,
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tí ò tún ní jẹ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀.
and your hope cannot be the
Torí náà kò sóhun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí.
There is nothing happened that not
Pinnu ọkàn rẹ láti máa yọ̀.
decide inside your heart to be
Tó o bá ti
rejoicing.
ń yọ̀,
When you are rejoicing,
èṣù á kábọ́ sórí àmọ̀ sunkún.
Satan will be weak.
Tó o bá banújẹ́,
If you are
inú èṣù ó dùn fóun ti borí ayé rẹ̀.
Satan will be happy that he has
Torí náà ẹ máa yọ̀ nígbà gbogbo ìpinnu sọ.
Rejoice always. That's what the Bible says.
Nígbà tó bá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ máa yọ̀.
If you have money, rejoice.
Nígbà tí o bá sọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ
If you
máa
don't
yọ̀.
have money, rejoice.
Wọ́n dá dúró bí iṣẹ́ máa
You
yọ̀.
are stuck in your working place, rejoice.
Ọkọ̀ rẹ dojú dé máa yọ̀.
Your business is not doing well,
Torí
rejoice.
pé nínú tó ti ń yọ̀ lọ́lọ́run láti gbé òkú
Because
dìde.
inside of your rejoicing, God is going
So
to rise you up.
ìgbékalẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ fún láti jẹ́ aṣẹ́gun ni pé máa yọ̀.
That's the first thing to one person. We need to be rejoicing.
Ẹyọ nínú Olúwa ẹyọ, ẹ̀yin tọkàn rẹ̀ ṣe dédé, ẹ̀yin tó ti yàn lÓlúwa, lè bànújẹ́ àdàrò lọ ẹyọ 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 nínú Olúwa ẹyọ ẹyọ. Ẹ̀yin tó ti yàn ní Olúwa,
You that have chosen God as your Lord,
lẹ́yìn ìbànújẹ́ kò nu ayé ara yín.
send problem, bitterness out of your life.
So nígbà tó o bá yọ̀, òun lé ìbànújẹ́ kò nu ayé ara rẹ̀.
When you are rejoicing, you are sending bitterness and sorrow out
Olórí
of your
ẹ̀kọ́
life.
wípé I'm treading my shame, I'm treading my sorrow, I'm treading my shame, I'm laying them down for the glory of the Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Olórí mi tún sọ lóyìnbó pé I am joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul. I am joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul. I am joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul.
kejì gbogbo nǹkan tí o bá ń là kọjá lo àkókò yẹn láti ṣe nǹkan tó dára.
Lo àǹfààní tó yí ọ ká dáradára. Make the best of your circumstances.
Lo àwọn àǹfààní kan tó yí ọ ká dáradára.
Nobody has everything.
Kò sí ẹni tí ó ní nǹkan kan.
But definitely everybody has something.
Ó sì jẹ́ tó lọ àti pé ẹnìkan gbọ́dọ̀ ní nǹkan kan.
Bó o ṣe jókòó o ní nǹkan kan. O lè má ní
As
kí o
down
tó.
to have something but that's why you cannot have all the things.
Lo àǹfààní tó o ní tó yí ọ ká.
Use the circumstances beside you.
Àwọn ọmọléèwé méjì lọ sí India.
School children went to India.
Students. Nígbà tí wọ́n dé India.
When they got to India.
Ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún sẹ́yìn. Wọ́n rí àwọn èèyàn tí ò wọ bàtà.
They saw people treading barefooted.
Ìjọba àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe ẹ̀yẹ́fẹ́ wo àwọn èyí níbi tí ọ̀làjú ti dé. Wọn ò tún ní bàtà wọ̀.
Some of them are very
Some of them.
was making mockery of them that they didn't wear shoes.
Ìkejì òun ò rẹ́rìn-ín. Ó ń wo ohun tóun lè lò láti ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ tó sì máa mú owó sínú àpò òun náà.
The other is not laughing but is thinking of what he can do to help them that will bring money to his pocket.
Wọ́n padà sí Amẹ́ríkà lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n ti parí ìsinmi.
He left India and he got to America